Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with over 20 engineering technology programs across the state of Florida. Today we're taking you inside Daytona State College, located in one of the fastest growing industry sectors in the state. You will learn more about the program offering and how a 2-year AS degree can be your ticket to a 4-year bachelor's degree in engineering technology.
Do you like to make things? Because people who like to make things or like to tinker or like to build really do well in engineering technology. It's just a natural talent that you have. My name is Ron Eglin. I'm a professor here at Daytona State College, and I originally came here to set up the Bachelor of Science of Engineering Technology. Bachelor of Science of Engineering Technology is a 4-year degree. However, at the state colleges, we use a +2 model. So students that have a 2-year degree, like an AA or an AS, can get a 4-year degree in engineering technology by coming here and completing the degree program. Make sure that we had a clear path for students that are coming out of AS degree programs to be able to continue with the BS degree programs. So the AS degree programs, which are 2-year degrees, can flow seamlessly into a 4-year degree program. So we admit a lot of students from CFC and Polk State and St. Pete, all the 2-year offering degree programs, to come here and let those students actually get a 4-year degree. And there's a lot of advantages to getting that 4-year degree, and we make it so that it's really easy for those students to do. Well, one of the things about our program, because we are a state, we service the entire state, is a 100% online program, which means that we have the ability to offer that program at all of our partner state colleges that offer the AS degrees. And it is a partnership with those state colleges, so that if you do have equipment needs or laboratory needs, we work with those state colleges so that you are resident wherever you happen to be, but you can still complete the degree. We've graduated a lot of students, and I will run into students all the time. And the story is almost universally, well, I'm now working at such and such place, I'm now the regional manager, I've got 30, 100 people working for me, and here's what we're doing, and they're all excited. They're always excited to tell me what it is that they're making and doing.
If you live near Volusia or Flagler counties and want to learn more about how to get your career in engineering technology kicked off, visit daytonastate.edu/BSET. And to learn more about engineering technology education and manufacturing in Florida, visit flate.org. Thank you for joining us today.